50 sentences using the word during.
I fell asleep during the movie.
The rain started during our picnic.
She read a book during her lunch break.
He received a phone call during the meeting.
We met some interesting people during our trip.
The power went out during the storm.
She made a new friend during the conference.
He practiced the piano during his free time.
They discovered a hidden treasure during their hike.
I like to listen to music during my workout.
The teacher caught a student cheating during the test.
We learned a lot during our visit to the museum.
She got a promotion during her time at the company.
He found his passion for cooking during a cooking class.
They got engaged during their vacation in Paris.
I lost my keys during the party.
The temperature dropped significantly during the night.
She improved her language skills during her stay abroad.
He injured his ankle during a soccer game.
They bonded as a team during the team-building exercise.
I found my inspiration during a long walk in the woods.
The traffic was heavy during rush hour.
She met her future spouse during college.
He discovered a love for painting during his retirement.
They had a heated argument during the family reunion.
I usually meditate during my morning routine.
The children laughed and played during the birthday party.
She received a standing ovation during her performance.
He made a crucial decision during a moment of clarity. They had a romantic dinner during their anniversary.
I met some incredible people during my volunteer work.
The company experienced significant growth during the year.
She got a sunburn during her beach vacation.
He found inner peace during his yoga retreat.
They encountered unexpected challenges during their journey.
I like to reflect on my day during my evening walk.
The fireworks lit up the sky during the celebration.
She learned to cook traditional dishes during her trip.
He discovered a hidden talent during a talent show.
They had a surprise guest during their wedding.
I like to listen to podcasts during my commute.
The plants thrived during the rainy season.
She met her lifelong friend during kindergarten.
He felt a sense of accomplishment during the marathon.
They had a heart-to-heart conversation during their road trip.
I take notes during my lectures to stay engaged.
The city comes alive during the festival.
She overcame her fear of heights during a hot air balloon ride.
He found his voice as a writer during his sabbatical.
They built lasting memories during their adventure.